A short introduction to Enonic XP. Enonic XP is a powerful web platform where you can build websites, applications, and APIs. Here are 5 essential features. 1. Smart image handling. In Enonic, you can flip, crop, and rotate images in a responsive interface. The focal point feature ensures that your images always will be shown correctly. 2. Drag and drop page builder. Drag elements into and within our visual page editor, access settings, duplicate content, and more for exercising full control. 3. Keyboard shortcuts. Enonic offers familiar keyboard shortcuts. Navigate through fields, format text, save, and create new content without your hands leaving the keyboard. 4. Marketing apps. Enhance your digital experiences with Enonic Market. Easily install third-party marketing tools like Google Analytics and Visual Website Optimizer. 5. Collaboration. Create and assign issues for proofreading, assistance, or bug reporting, and receive instant notifications via email. Bonus: Headless CMS. Enonic lets you distribute content to any channel. This, together with a developer-friendly environment, makes Enonic a web platform for the future. Try our free demo on enonic.com.